the position of the ministry really is to discourage the use of consumers taken directly from the generating companies. If you are at the downstream end, then you need to take your power from ECG. Obviously, because of the tariff structure, that then makes industry tariffs relatively higher. So the ministry is looking at a review of the tariff structure that then makes industrial use much more affordable than residential use. Because as it stands now, tariff structure is in bands. So you go 0 to 50, you pay X amount, 50 to 100, you pay an incremental amount, 100 plus, you pay in that band. We think that the way to go is to use the fuel station approach, where if you go in there and you buy 1 gallon for 2 Ghana cedi, you buy 1,000 gallons, you still pay 2 Ghana cedi for a gallon, and not an incremental tariff because you are consuming more. We think that if we go that route, it would lead to a significant reduction in electricity tariff for industrial consumers. So that's where we're going to go. Energy roundtable, by all means, like I said, my minister is open to engage positively with civil society organizations so that we can all together find ways at resolving, if not all, many of the problems within the space. CRM, by all means, I guess that the minister was categorical when we experienced the most recent doomsaw. That is not because of want of power, but there were transmission issues that necessarily needed some work on. And so we're dooming to CC as opposed to the doomsaw that we Prof, I get the point that you make. And on the VALCO issue, so if you suggest that VALCO is no longer useful, then is it by extension you suggesting that all the things I want to do in the bauxite space are all unnecessary? Because it's an entire value chain that government intends to build. And so we're looking at how we get tariffs, particularly industrial tariffs, low, so that the integrated aluminum industry that I want to build becomes something that we realize. Energy sector, yes, efficiency is always key. And like I said, the ministry's position is that the ECG PSP may be not in the same form as PDS took, but definitely a private sector intervention so that we can drive the efficiency in the sector. It's unfortunate that when private people own businesses, Ghanaian private people own businesses, they make profits. They drive efficiency. But the very moment you put those same people in charge of state-owned enterprises, then it becomes an issue where everybody thinks that those entities ought to make losses. Timetable. Well, I'm not in a position to provide that at this point because my mandate does not extend to that. These are policy decisions that the minister would have to go to cabinet and get some approval before it's rolled out. But like I said, from where I sit, all the conversations that I've been in, that is his inclination. And indeed, he indicated it in the statement that I read on his behalf, that we are going to go there. And rest assured that that's what's going to happen. Yes, I guess that I've dealt with almost all of the issues that were raised. Now, thank you all for your contribution.
Thank you very much.